Welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can add live wallpaper in Windows. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. You can only set a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 device using your third-party application. You can select one of the default live wallpaper available in the app. So to begin with, you need to download Lively Wallpaper either from the official page or the Microsoft Store. Once you're done downloading it, next thing you need to do is install it. After you're done installing it, you need to go to the library and you need to select one of the pre-existing choices from the live wallpaper. After you're done selecting it, you need to click on the three-dot button in order to open the menu, and as you click on it, multiple options will appear, so you need to select it as set a wallpaper. From the list, you need to click on set as wallpaper, and the live wallpaper you selected is now on your desktop. So that is how you can add live wallpaper in Windows. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.